Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Mohammad Shahjahan, Assistant Professor, Department of Accounting, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka.
Dear student, today we will discuss chapter 12 and it is family accounting system. This is our third lecture on this chapter. Dear student, at the end of this lecture you will be able to calculate family fund, you can able to calculate family surplus or deposit, and you can calculate family financial statement. Dear student, let's see the question. Following are family information of Dr. Mahida as on 1st January 2017. Dear student, she has at the beginning of year building 10 lakh, furniture 90,000, investment 10,000, gold 80,000, cash in hand 3,000 and bank loan 6,000. Dear student, the receipt on payment account of Mahida is given below. Cash in hand, salary, interest on investment receipt, income from fashion business. This is her income. On the other hand, purchase of food, daily shopping, television purchase, newspaper, education expenditure, gas, water and electricity, bank deposit and balance. This is her expenditure. This is her payment. And the other information are gas, water, electricity bill due 1500, interest on investment yet not received 1000. Now we have to find out the family fund, we have to find out the income and expense account, and we have to prepare financial position. Dear student, all of you know that at the first class I have given you the formula for family fund. Dear student, all of you know that opening asset minus opening liability, opening asset minus opening liabilities, that will be family fund. Opening asset minus opening liabilities, that will be family fund. Look at what is the opening asset she has. Building 10 lakh, building 10 lakh, take your calculator, add it. Building 10 lakh and furniture 90,000, 10 lakh 90,000, investment 10,000, 11 lakh, gold 80,000, 11 lakh 80,000 and cash in hand 3,000. That means opening asset is 11 lakh 83,000, 11 lakh 83,000. On the other hand, opening liability, look at only one opening liability, that is bank loan. So formula is opening asset minus opening liability equals to family fund. Opening asset is 11 lakh 83,000, opening liability is 6,000. Therefore, family fund is 11 lakh 77,000. 11 lakh 77,000. I hope all of you understand. Now we have to prepare income statement. Dear student, all of you know that from receipt and payment account you have to prepare income statement. That means receipt side there are some receipt which are income, and payment side there are some payment which are expenditure. We have to find out which one is income, which one is expenditure. Dear student, at first receipt, cash in hand, this is receipt but this is not income, this is receipt of previous year, income may be previous year. Salary, this is her current year income 3,63,000. Interest on investment, this is also income, and we have an adjustment with this. Interest on investment, one year not yet received 1,000. That means interest on investment is total 2,500. Then income from passion visit 1,20,000. So these are the income. Let's see the solution. Look at income. Number one, salary 3,63,000, interest on investment 1,500, due interest 1,000, and income from fashion visit it is 1,20,000. That means total income of Dr. Mahadia is 4,85,500. 4,85,500. This is her total income. Now let's see the expenditure. Purchase of food, this is expenses. Daily shopping, this is also an expenses. Television purchase, dear student, you know that this is not expenditure, this is expenditure, this is capital expenditure, and all of you know that capital expenditure is not expense, this is asset. This is asset because television will give us service for long time, so we cannot say it is an expenditure, it is an expenditure. So television purchase is our asset. Newspaper, this is expenditure. Education expenditure, this is also expenditure. Gas, water and electricity, this is also another expenditure. Bank fixed deposit, this is asset. Balance, that means closing cash in hand, this is also asset. So dear student, another adjustment is here. Gas, water, electricity is still due. That means we have to add with this. We have paid 21,000 and more we have to pay more 1,500. So it is 22,500. Let's see, dear student. Purchase of food materials expenditure. Daily shopping, this is expenditure. Newspaper expenditure. educational expenses, gas water 21,000 expenses, and due also you have to add. So total amount of expenditure is 2,34,000. And dear student, all of you know that income and expenditure, that means from income we have to subtract expenditure 2,85,000 to 2,34,000, that means 2,51,000. This is our income, this is our surplus of income. That means this income after subtracting expenditure we have surplus income 2,51,500. If the expenditure is more, that time it is deficit of income, but this family is surplus, they are earning more money than whatever they are expending. So this is surplus of income, this will be added with family fund. Now dear student, our last requirement is calculate the family financial statement. Family financial statement, all of you know that financial statement means list of asset and liabilities. Let me see whatever asset and liabilities this doctor have. Building 10 lakh, furniture 90,000, investment 10,000, gold 80,000, cash in hand. Dear student, look at, this is asset, but this is opening asset, this asset is changeable, this is current asset, so this cannot be in the closing. That means whatever opening cash in hand, that may not be we have closing. Look at, closing cash in hand is 2,07,000. That's why this cash in hand will not be recorded as asset, though it is asset, and we have to write cash in hand asset 2,07,000. And whatever asset we have more, this year we purchased a television, this is another asset. There is a bank fixed deposit 25,000, this is another asset, and balance, this is another asset. So these are the total of asset. Let's see the asset side. Look at, building 10 lakh, furniture 90,000, investment 10,000, gold 80,000, and closing cash in hand. That means opening cash in hand we cannot write, closing cash in hand 2,07,000, television purchase 23,000, interest on investment receivable, interest on investment receivable. This is important item. Dear student, maximum student made mistake. Look at, interest on investment not yet received 1,000. That means this is interest on investment receivable. This is our income. This is our income. Income cannot show in the asset side, but if income due, then it is our asset. If income due, this is our asset. If income due, then it will be our asset. So dear student, we have asset how much? We have asset 1,000, because this interest yet not received, so income due is our asset. So we have to write this also in asset side, and bank deposit also our asset. So total of asset side is 14,36,000. 14,36,000. That means at the end of this year 2017, this family has asset 14,36,000. Now we have to find out liability and family fund. That means how much family fund this family has, and we have to find the liabilities also. Let's see the question. Look at, she has liability, he has liability, bank loan 6,000. Bank loan how much? 6,000. Bank loan 6,000. So this is the number one liabilities. Then another liabilities, gas, water and electricity bill. That means earlier I have told you, income due, then it is our asset. Income due, then it is our asset, and this is our expense due. So if expense due, this is our liabilities. If expense due, then it is our liabilities. So gas, water and electricity bill are still due 1,500. This is our liability. So we have two liabilities. Number one, it is 6,000 bank loan, and gas, water and electricity bill due 1,500. So both are liabilities. Now family fund. Dear student, in requirement A, look at this family fund. Opening asset minus opening liability. Family fund is 11,77,000. And with this family fund, what we have to do? With this family fund, we have to add surplus or deficit. We have surplus of income here. We have no deficit here. Surplus of income 2,51,500. Surplus of income how much? 2,51,500. Where you get it? Look at here. How? Total of income is 4,85,500 and total of expenditure is 2,34,000. So surplus income is 2,51,500. So dear student, 11,77,000 is earlier family fund, and this year family fund increased by 2,51,500. So total of liability and family fund 14,36,000. Total of asset also 14,36,000. And you know that the characteristics of financial position is that total asset will be equals to family fund plus liability. So dear student, both the side is equal. So I hope all of you understand this math, and this is very easy one, very simple. If you practice one or two times, inshallah you can in the exam for 10 marks. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Dear student, stay home, stay safe. May Allah help all of us. Allah Hafiz.